Start cutting your aluminum screen. Yep. Try to have a nice straight line. Try using that long level as a straight edge. This is a must. This is part of the preparation. If you don't want your floor to crack. Basically, we're cutting the same screen which is used on your windows to keep the bugs out. This time we're going to keep the cracks out of your kitchen floor. Yeah. Down here, same thing. Same thing, move it down. Same thing. Yep. And once you're done, this is going to be nailed over the seams of your subfloor. If you want to prepare your subfloor right. If you don't want to do this, you're taking a chance. Doesn't really matter. I'll hold or how new your house is. You have to take care of the seams. You got that one? Well, now I guess you move to the next strip. Next strip, you're going to follow that line, but it's already there. Yep, that's the line. Sweep up your seams. Try to remove as much as possible. Whatever dust and debris you got under there. Pull it. You don't want to lose. You don't want to lose. You have to pull as much as possible. Put down a lot of roofing nails. You don't want that screen to be loose. Yeah. That's a good distance. About 4 inches, 4 or 5 at the most. This is what the floor should look like before you start installing the tile. If you don't want to have any cracks, just take care of the seams. That's the key.